In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an agent task using precise time triggers in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and go to the main screen where you can access the Give Hermes a Task input box. To schedule a task, start by clearly defining what you want the agent to do, such as sending reports, generating summaries, or monitoring updates. Next, specify the exact time or interval when the task should run. For example, you can set it to run daily at a specific time, every few hours, or on a custom schedule, depending on your workflow. Then, include the output you expect from the agent each time it runs, such as a summary report, a Slack update, or a structured data output. Once you submit the task, Hermes will queue it and execute it automatically based on your defined timing rules. You can review scheduled activity and past runs in the agents area, where active processes will appear when they are running. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.